Okay, anybody that's looking to move to the Leesburg area, and I'm going to show you what it looks like here on Google Earth in a minute. This is a great neighborhood, a great house. Actually, great houses. There's 4 different models or homes that are available in there right now. They're going to go fast because you can get interest rates at 5.75% when you go through the builder. I'd be the perfect guy to deal with. So what I tell you is get a hold of me. My info's at the bottom of this video, and I can get you all the details and who to reach out to and what to get. There's also a ton of other new models built all over the place here in Central Florida. I can help you anywhere really in the state, but my area of expertise is Central Florida. So this is in Leesburg. So I'll show you this one model here. This one's getting a lot of traction. It's going to be available as a move-in right now. So check it out. What I really do like about this builder is that they have energy efficiency, which is definitely needed here in the state of Florida. Here's the aerial view of Google Earth. Okay, so here's the Google Earth. There's Orlando, there's Winter Garden, and then there's Leesburg. So everything's close. A lot of lakes up there in that area as well. So I'm just kind of zooming in more so you can see it. If you're not familiar with this area, you can do a little bit more research on it. I can get you more info as well. Get a hold of me. Love to be able to help anybody that's looking to buy a new home in Central Florida.